Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me for Joy of Blue. Joy of Blue is a collab that I started in 2021. We do it monthly on the 12th, and the idea is to make something with blue. Some people in this collab love blue, some are learning to love it and find it challenging. It also inspired the Passion for Purple collab. So if you're a purple lover, be sure you're checking that one out too. So what I do for Joy of Blue is I just get out some blue stuff and see where the day takes me. And this month I made a journal out of a fabric, maybe little wall hanging quilt. Here's another one that I have too. My friend Katie made these, and they had little circles on the back to hang them on the wall. They hung on her wall for a long time. Then they hung on my wall. I knew that they weren't trash. She was tired of them. I turned this one into a journal, and I have some new things that may be a little bit beyond my skill level, but I did it anyway. I put beads and a little star right here on this elastic band. I had to make the elastic band really skinny to get through these beads, but I just wanted to use these beads. And structurally, I don't know if it works long term, but it looks really cute. And then you can open it up. And then on the inside, I have a pocket made with a fabric sample and just some fun things tucked in it, all sorts of blue and teal and periwinkle-ish. And then some things that have showed up in my craft room that were blue goodness, and a paper to make your sheet music on, and then another sample that I just love, and I left the pinking side and then frayed this, and then the other side is different. And I don't know if I'll put anything else on the safety pin, but for now that's where I landed. Then I have some items tucked in here, and I think this is ready for a sentiment of some sort. So what I'll probably do is either put one, or I'm going to list it in my Etsy store. So what I might do is just leave it kind of open, and then the person can take it in the direction they want to go. A lot of light blue and tealy colors in here, and a little paper clip with a bit of fabric on it from one of the pockets. This is paper that I dyed blue. And this is fun. It's vellum with a pattern over a dark piece of paper, so you get the combination of both the patterns. And then I tore the vellum just for interest, and I have some stitching right here. I left the threads, and on that one I didn't go all the way up the page, just for fun. Then I made a tuck spot with this die cut, put a couple of cute little things in there. I love this one. It says, "Collect Beautiful Moments." Again, a torn piece of paper. I think this is a gel print that Melody gave me, and a little pocket envelope. I haven't figured out what goes in this yet. It's an unusual size, so I'm still thinking on it. And then this could be decorated right here too. I mean, the whole thing. It could be a glue book, or a smash book type thing, or a journal to write on, because a lot of these papers, even though they have color, they're light enough to write on. Be happy. And this is a big wide roll of washi tape that I've torn. It's a good day to be happy. How gorgeous is that? And then I had tags with fabric on them, and I thought, since it's a fabric covered journal and it has fabric in it, I thought those would be fun, so I tucked them in. Then a little pocket and a card in it. And again, here's a bigger strip of that washi and patterned paper, and then some stitching where I have my bobbin and my top thread different. Here is a die cut flower that Mary sent for me in Happy Mail, and I just thought it was stunning on this gel print. At first I was going to put the die cut over here, but then I thought I'd leave this open to write on, and it just looked amazing on that page. And again, it's torn. I just think that adds some fun interest to have different edges. This is a foiled piece of paper with little stars, and I can tuck something in there. And stitching on this blue paper, and again, we're going down the other side of the signature, so the stuff is repeating. Here's a tag with fabric in a pocket. It's just a folded over, and then here's another tuck spot up here. And this is fabric washi. so you can hear it has some texture. I brought fabric in over and over because it just went with it. Here's a butterfly that's ready to be a tuck spot, flying along the page. More fabric. So I just think it's ready to make a mess in and play with. And I resisted the urge to decorate it with birds that I have laid out all over because I'm already making a bunch of bird journals, and that way it's really neutral and it can be whatever somebody wants. But I just love how it turned out. I think it's adorable, and I hope that it brought you some joy. Be sure to check out the other collaborators and see what they made for Joy of Blue. There aren't rules. It doesn't have to be journals or cards or a paint pour or resin or quilting. It can be anything you want that has some blue. If you want to join us, be sure to use the hashtag. It's down below. Thank you so very much to all of the collaborators that participated. I just really appreciate your support, and I enjoy watching your videos and seeing what you post on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.